What's up, guys? Alright, this episode I'm gonna knock this swing arm out. Get the new swing arm put on. We'll have to press in new bearings and whatnot. It's gonna be a big project, but should be fun. So we're gonna get some time lapse of that. Let's get this going. Okay, so that was hell getting that swing arm off. But now that I got it off, I'm gonna pack the bearings into that new swing arm, and hopefully everything goes well and I don't fuck anything up. Yeah, because those bearings were not cheap. So yeah, let's get those thrown in. So if you're gonna do like any bearing pressings, save yourself tons of time and get yourself proper tools. If you haven't learned this already, definitely helps. on these bearings, but towards the end I just wanted to focus on them, make sure I was doing them correctly. I'm pretty sure I've done as best as I possibly could. Yeah. If you ever do swing arm bearings, I highly recommend getting the Motion Pro swing arm bearing tool. That thing saved a lot of headaches, I'm sure. Yeah, I've been down that road plenty of times, like with fork seals, using PVC pipe. Doesn't work, don't do it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to toss this on the bike. I'm actually gonna touch up some of these spots that I messed up on for powder coating. Little secret for touch up on powder coat is nail polish, believe it or not. So I'm gonna touch this up and then I'm gonna try to just throw it on the bike tonight and then work on it tomorrow. So yeah, got my nail polish. You guys think I'm kidding? If I wanted to do this properly, I'd have to reshoot the entire piece. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because I just pressed in my bearings. Where'd it go? Reasons why I have these chips in this powder coat is because I didn't let it cure properly. It's really the main reason. Arm thrown on. It's kind of hard to tell because everything's black, but I put a new, I don't know what you would call that, fender in the bag. Put the plastics on, but it's looking great. I'm gonna wait to put the wheel and everything else back on because it is 100 degrees out right now. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.